Good morning, students. This is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Dear students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA ZBC 5th semester botany paper. Name of paper is nomenclature. Okay, students, first of all, I welcome heartily in this first class of this semester, and I pray to God that this semester will finish with enthu, peace, and harmony. Since you all know that this uh, last semester and still this semester is uh, we have suffered a lot. Whole world is suffering from pandemic COVID-19, but still uh, whole human community has shown integrity to fight and defeat this pandemic. Students in this semester will have to study nomenclature. Okay, how plants are categorized on what basis. Basically, that is also known as taxonomy. In next class, another topic is there. We will discuss it in details. But for today's topic is ICBN. Okay, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Okay, student, you don't worry. I have already prepared e-notes and recommended e-notes, and I have already uploaded on your portal. So try to focus on this lecture, and other most important span is time limited. So this video is not longer, but in e-notes I have put all those materials, study material, which is beneficial for you for your examination. Okay, so let's start. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Okay, as its name suggests, it is an international code or deed for writing the name of whole word flora. Okay, actually, in this class we'll study that how a particular name is worldwide. Suppose one person wants to put a particular name for a plants. That plant is devoted for particular reason, but maybe that plants in other region identified by other names, other locality names. Okay, but there should be a particular common name for all people, all whole world, so that there is no any kind of discrimination. Okay, for that purpose this international code has been come into the existence. Okay, the naming of plants are following according to the rule of ICBN after its establishment. Okay, means according to ICBN there is a particular code for the naming of the plants. The ICBN only deals and control the naming of plants, but does not do any work on taxonomy. The main purpose of ICBN is just giving the name of the plants and not more than that. Okay, the head office of ICBN is situated at Utrecht in the Netherlands. Student, I recommend you that you remember this headquarter, because some of the competitive exams they used to ask where is the headquarter of ICBN. At least the country name you should remember, that is Netherlands. Okay, ICBN has three departments, namely principal, rules, and provision for governance of the code. Okay, so let's see in brief principle. There are six principles of ICBN for naming of the plants. First principle is botanical nomenclature is independent of zoological and bacteriological nomenclature. Students, there are three other groups: zoological and microbial. So there is also nomenclature. That nomenclature is entirely separate from botanical. Okay, so in botany, plant's name is entirely different from zoological and bacteriological nomenclature. Second principle is the application of names of taxonomic groups is determined by means of nomenclatural types. There is a types, we will discuss it in details, what is the syntype, isotype, neotypes. Okay, third principle is the nomenclature of taxonomic group is based upon the priority of publication. Means somebody has already published his publication, okay, and other person also discovered, invented, found some concept related to that, so he will follow the previous one, and the previous one will become into the priority. Okay, this is the priority level. Next is fourth, each taxonomic group with a particular circumscription, position, and rank can bear only one correct name. The earliest, that is in accordance with the rule, except in specified cases. Means the first one will be considered as a name. Okay. Next one is scientific name of taxonomic groups are treated as Latin regardless of their derivation. Okay, you all know that botanical nomenclature is written in Latin italic forms, and there are two words would be there. First one will start from capital letter, and second one is from small letter. Okay. Sixth one is the rule of nomenclature as retroactive unless expressly limited. Okay, means it is saying that the nomenclature should be retroactive. Okay, whatever it is found in the location, that is the found in the this case. Okay, second is department is the rules and recommendation of ICBN. Here rank of taxa. So you have already studied in your zoology class or botany class how you classify them. First rank is kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus. Okay, all those things are there. That is the rank of taxa. Mode of ending, you might have studied that kingdom ended with E, and division or phylum is Phyta, Opsida, else, and family with C. Okay, some of the examples are here regarding that. Plantae kingdom, division, that phylum will be Magnoliophyta, Liliopsida, Magnoliopsida, Magnoliales, and the family is Magnoliaceae. Magnoliaceae is the first family in your syllabus. We will read it with in details. Okay. Then genus, species, everything I think you might be knowing. Then come to type species. Actually, this is the second topic of our study, so I am stopping here. Thank you very much.